really high on pitch and then they go back to rap. Oh yeah, that intense. What up my people, ¿Qué pasa? This is Daniel Vince and this is my first time listening to K-pop music.
Lo que toca lo complica. Demasiada calidad para la industria, con cojones pero con la vida mustia. Tequetete, 1, 2, tequetete, londinense, Madrid, el Torete.
Hablan de mi guananana.
Todos me negaron y me dio igual. Guananana.
Vueltas y vueltas y vueltas me miras como
Te miro como
me miras como
te miro como
Because obviously you're a producer, songwriter, artist, rapper, all of that, but I wanted to focus on your production side.
Okay.
And show you a particular company. So this company is actually the one that pioneered K-pop. They created K-pop basically.
Sounds interesting.
So yeah, so like they're a big company and there's a lot of artists under them. And they have a particular sound and some of it you might notice, some of it might be outside of that sound. But I just want to hear your thoughts on these groups.
Definitely.
This is just the male groups within this particular company.
Cool, energetic. NCT U. Oh, this is quite different.
I can do this all day. Back it up, back it up.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. Some love harmonies. Yeah, I was about to say, the connection between most of these songs is the heavy way of the harmonies and choruses, bridges, bridges and choruses as well, yeah. Like, harmonizing everything with the vocals. That's very, characteristics on 70% of the videos that we've seen in this compilation. Oh wow, I love that. That's insane.
What do you like about it?
I like the idea of like I didn't feel like I didn't make any comments that most of the videos is the artist and so many more people around dancing. It's pretty much everything choreographed. And then that scene with the guy alone, he was dancing on his own. Then the kind of like garage or whatever is that. But then the image get frozen and then keep dancing and it's like a really cool effect in it. Wow. Nice. All the scenery is insane. Ooh, look at that with the guitars and rocking a bit. That was sick. Yeah, actually, these guys can go really high on pitch and then they go back to rap. I was thinking, I wonder how these people will sound, all these bands would sound in live, dancing and performing, but I'm sure they're gonna be good. Yeah. So much energy. Again, 80s. This Yeah, the bass line, super 80s, and the beat with the claps. Wow, I can show you a Bad Bunny video. They did the same idea of the guy and the shadow yellow. Again, these synths, but then now they passed them through a filter. Yeah, it's been used a lot, this kind of stuff now. Oh wow, yeah, they go from like a trap R&B to kind of breakbeat. Wow, that's kind of like oh, let me go back to that. Ooh, that kind of Skrillex stuff. Wow, super cool. Oh, that was interesting. Actually, the choreography and the chorus, the vocals, they kind of really together. They look like the vocals dancing. Yeah, this is a different kind of rap approach that we're used to seeing.
Why is it different?
Oof, I wouldn't. Let me see it again and see if I can describe. I mean, definitely the language is different. So to what I'm used to, English or Spanish. Avoiding all this visual element, that's clearly different. The guy with the pink hair, all this scenery, extremely original. The fashion style, makeup, but in terms of the music, I guess because as well he's a singer, so it can, I don't know, the way he play with his voice is different. I don't know. Wow. Yes. Yeah, the falsetto and the high range. They can sing really, really high pitch. Yeah, splitting the vocal sections. That's something I like. Yeah, I guess that there are quite. How many of there are in this band? Yeah, there are a lot.
There's 21.
Yeah, and
21 people.
Wow, and it's nice how they split the sections. So they doing the choir together. They go to another section. They still all singing, but they split the sections. So some of them would be like a lower range doing something. Other thing would be like the main lead taking another part. Oh, that's... They got together again. And they split again. And something I wonder about these big bands with so many members, they seems to me that they're boys bands or girls bands. They're not like mixed that much, right?
No, yeah, they're not. They're not mixed.
Why?
There might be one group that's mixed, but they're not mixed.
That's quite interesting. Why?
There's a whole thing about it, I think. I think a lot of it is to do with their marketing. So they're marketed as like, sometimes with the boy groups they market them, or a lot of times they market them with like the boyfriend concept. So if you then have girls also there, it ruins that illusion of the boyfriend concept. K-pop's pretty heavy with some of that stuff, like that kind of marketing style.
Yeah, wow. Interesting. And the same with the girls as well, because the few girls bands that we've seen, they're only girls.
Yeah, I think there might be like one or two, but on like groups that are mixed, I haven't come across them, but apparently there are like few. But on the whole, they're very like separated. And I think because also when it comes to choreography as well, you have like a particular thing a particular choreography that males will do versus female. Females tend to be a bit more feminine. There's like moves that females will do that the males won't. So I think they just separate that stuff as well, just so I guess for like cohesion and unity. So
it's still not needed, because if you got a band with males and females, and obviously choreography can be different for for female and male, it can be different.
Yeah, guys, let me know in your comments why you think they're separated. Because I have my ideas. Like I said to you, like dating scandals in K-pop. So if a person is seen with someone, it's a scandal.
Oh wow, is it?
Yeah. Whereas in the West or like everywhere else, it's like, oh okay, cool. Like it's not a thing. It's a scandal. And some of the dating, like if you're dating someone, some of it can ruin your career.
Wow, that intense.
Is that intense? So they're not gonna mix.
Wow. I like how the vocals sound here. The reverb that they add vocals is really nice. The way the song, the instrumental grows is very original. Nice guitars. Again, nice guitars here as well. There is vocals there in the instrumental as a part of like it could be an instrument. I mean, it's an instrument actually. yeah, that image when it comes to the. Yeah.
Sorry, the number you have called has been disconnected. 끝났어 love.
Wow, and then like a classic piano there playing behind. Ooh.
Favorite styles or production or whatever?
The a cappella thing. That's my favorite. The a cappella.
So I think that was EXO.
EXO.
I think it's called Tempo. The song.
Yeah, I think. I would love to hear the whole song. EXO was one of my favorites, I would say, or my favorite maybe, and at least for that song.
Yeah.
And the other one was 21 people there as well. That was quite cool.
NCT. So that's their newest song.
That's insane. Like 21 singers together is good, but hard to put something together. Good, that you can listen to it and it'd be nice. When the chorus come with all the vocals together, it's really impressive. But then they split the sections and then it's really cool. It's probably for me what took my attention more, all these vocal arrangements they have.
Okay, yeah.
There was one of these songs as well, they used this auto-tune. It was not that new one, probably the beginning ones, with auto-tune. But these artists, they are singers, so they're using the auto-tune as an effect.
Yeah.
No, because they need it.
Not to mask their voice, yeah.
Yeah, not to make them sing in tune. They just to kind of like add that sound element. All of them having common that vocals, they play a role in the music as well. So they use vocals as instruments to create not just the harmonies of the actual lyrics, but the music. So
that's interesting.
And there was another really cool.
Just on
video.
that, SM is known for being like the vocal company.
Yeah.
Like if you auditioned and you pass in SM, it's because you have like very, very good vocals. So I've been discovering them, and sometimes you see a rapper and then suddenly they start singing because they can all do both. Yeah,
okay, I get it. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, they got the water element, they love that, like it's splashing water. So like at least 4 or 5 videos as well. Which is something I wanted to ask you. Like, so why are you showing me, for example, a production company? Like, what's the concept of a production company? So is that a label? So we're talking about Motown or Warner Music artists?
Yeah, so it's a label and a marketing company and a artist like trainee company all meshed into one.
When you mean trainee company,
so basically, so SM not only produces the songs and markets it and releases it, they also audition everyone that you're seeing here. They already audition them, then they go into their trainee system. So that's what they pioneered. That's what is K-pop. So they pioneered that. They go into their audition system and their trainee system. They train them for like however many years. It's different for each person, and then they debut them based on like what group they're part of and whatever else. And so it's that mix. That's why in K-pop more than other areas, you actually talk about the company, not just the artist, because the company is such a massive part of the artists.
You got definitely a big input in all these
Massive, yeah.
groups and artists.
You've picked up some new groups, some new songs to listen to.
Definitely.
Thanks for watching, everyone. See Daniel again in some future videos.